Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
In August, Hong Kong police arrested businessman Jimmy Lai under the area's new security law. Prominent.
Jimmy Lai, a prominent pro-democracy activist, is the owner of the Apple Daily, a Hong Kong newspaper whose offices were searched by police. Lai and 6 others were charged with working with foreign powers. Lai was released on bail 2 days later.
The word prominent is used to describe someone who is famous or important.
Prominent also describes something that stands out so as to be easily seen.
Now you know what prominent means.